After login, go to Admin section and click on Events. Calendar with monthly view will display. Calendar options will be available above the calendar view. Left arrow button will navigate to get past month's calendar view. Right arrow button will navigate to get future month's calendar view. Today button will redirect to present month's calendar view. To change the view of calendar, choose any of 3 type of options by clicking on the suitable button above the calendar view. On right side of calendar options, to add events, choose an appropriate date when event will commence and click on that date cell. A pop-up will appear with a form. Fill details in the form to create an event. Enter the subject name. Subject name should be short and catchy, and will be displayed as heading for that event in front-end Events Calendar for easy access. Enter the description. Description will explain about event in detail. Select the start time. Select the end time. If the creating event repeatedly occurs after a period of time, select the recurrence option by clicking the checkbox. In recurrence, we have 5 options. First option is hourly. The event will be displayed for selected hours. Second option is daily. The event will be displayed whole day. Third option is weekly. The event will display for the selected week from Sunday to Saturday. When you select weekly, option related to week will be displayed. Mention recurrence time interval in text box, either using up and down arrow buttons or by manually entering the count. This option will repeat the event created for particular time interval, which is nothing but recurrence, so choose wisely. Weekdays appended with checkboxes will be made active. Check appropriate weekday by clicking on checkbox when event should occur. Fourth option is monthly. The event will be displayed monthly. Fifth option is yearly. The event will be displayed yearly. Select the option by clicking the checkbox. To send acknowledgement to club member about the event, use Send Invites option. Click on the Select Members. A pop-up window will appear with setup options. First option is Choose Member to Contact. Select type of category by clicking the checkbox. Second option is Teams. Choose a member of a specific team by selecting the team names by clicking the checkbox. Third option is Members selected for a fixtures. Select the seasons and teams and select fixture. Fourth option is Availability. Players who were available for enter date will be automatically selected. Choose an appropriate option that is suitable for the event and select the category. After selecting a suitable category, member will be automatically identified for easy access. Click on Select Members button. Members will be added. Last option to update is setting the end date for the created event. In bottom line of recurrence, 3 options were made available. By default, no end date will be active. First option is no end date. Choose this option if created event doesn't have an end date. Second option is end after selected occurrences. This option will end the event based on number of occurrences mentioned in the text box. Third option is end by date. Created event will end by the date mentioned. Please note that recurrence and occurrence were 2 different operations. Recurrence will hold the time interval between events, and occurrence will hold the number of times any event should be repeated. Click on Add button at bottom of the pop-up window to add the event. Event will be added to calendar for appropriate date selected and will be highlighted with the subject mentioned for the event. To edit any created event, click on that particular event subject. A pop-up will open holding the contents of event. Do the necessary changes and click on Update at bottom of the pop-up. Please note that events can be created only from Admin section Events page. By repeating the above procedure, after creating the event in Admin section, the event will replicate to Event page in Client section. Navigate to Front-end Events page. Events page in Front-end holds all the events as well as fixture of club. Events can be identified by event subject, which is user-defined. Fixture event will hold the heading with team names. Events Calendar in front-end has a set of options which are available at top of calendar. Left arrow button will navigate to get past month's calendar view. Right arrow button will navigate to get future month's calendar view. Today button will redirect to present month's calendar view. To change the view of calendar, choose any of 3 type of options by clicking on the suitable button above the calendar view. On right side of calendar options, identify the events of the club and click on any event to view. A pop-up will appear holding the complete details of the event. pop-up appears as only for read-only purpose. After viewing the event, close it by using close option available at top right corner of pop-up. This ends the process of how to create events in admin section and how to view the events in client section.